The woes of embattled Bamban Mayor Alice Guo continue to grow. Now she's on immigration watch at the country's airports and seaports to ensure she stays in the country along with her suspected cohorts until their cases are completely resolved. Our Luisa Erispe gets us up to speed in this report.
Days after qualified human trafficking complaints were filed against Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo, former Technology and Resource Center Director General Dennis Cunanan and others, the government is now monitoring their travels in and out of the country after the Department of Justice issued an immigration lookout bulletin order against the respondents.
Sa bisa ng ILBO, ipinag-uutos sa Bureau of Immigration na bantayan ang bawat kilos ng mga ito at i-alerto ang mga kinauukulan sa anumang tangka na lumabas ng bansa.
The ILBO was signed last Friday, June 21, against Guo and others. But aside from the local executive and 13 other respondents, 4 other names were added to the ILBO. They are Catherine Cassandra Ong from Lucky South 99, Wesley Guo, brother of Alice Guo, and Julian Linsangar. Also Zhan Ji, the Chinese woman caught at the Davao International Airport recently who was barred from leaving. Based on the ILBO, they are potential violators of anti-trafficking law. But the Immigration Bureau stressed the ILBO won't stop them from fleeing from the country. It mainly serves as an advisory of caution to the authorities.
Kung makita po na walang whole departure order, walang warrant of arrest or anything, at makita po na walang other immigration violation doon sa tao, then maaari pong makaalis yung individual because this is kumbaga an order for prudent checking, but not a whole departure order or a warrant of arrest.
Still, the DOJ insists it won't stop with just an ILBO, but will soon be requesting a precautionary whole departure order to ensure all respondents won't flee from the investigation.
Hihiling na rin ngayong linggo ang kagawaran ng Preliminary Whole Departure Order o PHDO mula sa korte. Ang whole departure order kasi, ang nag-i-issue nito ay ang korte. So, sa pamamagitan ng ILBO, manonotify kaagad ang DOJ kapag may attempt na lumabas ang isa sa mga respondents sa kaso na ito.
As of now, Guo has yet to comment on the ILBO, just like Cunanan, who is also one of the respondents in the complaint. Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.